Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I finally decided to pick up the camera and start doing YouTube again. It's been a long time coming. There's been a lot of things that have happened, and I'm not going to tell this overlong story that you guys probably already heard if you follow me on Instagram. But I'm back. We're in a new home, and I am just so excited to be in our new home and for the holidays to be here, the Burr months, as you will. So we're just so excited. We're going to pick up the camera again, and I really would love to do this. I've had some troubles with my camera and getting my files and everything on my computer. So I finally had to buy a cord to, like, old school hook it up to my computer to transfer everything over. So now that I finally got that out of the way, I can do this whole thing. And I want to get serious about it. I want to do home decor, all the home things, fashion, fall fashion, like everything that I'm going to be doing on TikTok. I'll leave my TikTok down below, but just longer versions. So we're gonna do it. I have nothing better going on right now, so we're just gonna jump in. I need something to look forward to. So if you guys like home decor, fashion, hauls, cleaning, all the things, definitely subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, but we are just gonna vlog today. It's already 2:07. I put my kids down for a nap early, which was kind of a mistake because they woke up early. I did some TikToks. I have just been hanging out today, nothing really. And then I think we're gonna go out to eat tonight for dinner because we have no groceries. But, so I just uploaded a little mini home tour. Why is my camera shaking? I just uploaded a mini home tour to my TikTok, so if you'd like to see that, like I said, I'll have it linked down below. But I can just show you right now. I did film that on my camera, what I'm filming on now, just because my phone quality was not looking that great. I think it's time to upgrade phones. But that was like killing my back because I had to hold my camera the other way. And this is a honking camera. I have a Canon 80D, and I have one of the smaller lenses that you use for like portraits. Why am I like super salivating? I don't know. And then I just have the kit lens, the 18 through 55, 35, I don't know. But it's the best for filming. And so I've had this camera forever now, and I'm like, I just need to use it. It was expensive, it's good quality. No, it's probably not the best vlogging camera, but I like it, so let's just use it. So anyways, long story short, I filmed a little house tour on that, and that killed my back because this camera is heavy. Abby, your pants are on backwards, baby. Your pants are on backwards. So let me just show you my house. We'll do a quick little walkthrough. That was really, we'll do a quick little walkthrough. It's just gonna be super, okay. Here's my living room. It is super open and bright. We plan to do like floating shelves on each one of these sides with cabinets on the bottom eventually at some point. This chandelier I absolutely love. Oh, you can't even see it. You can't even see it. It is so bright in here. You can't see it. I'll show you in a minute. We used to have a ceiling fan. That's what came with the house when we bought it, but it was just not my style, and it was like a dated fan, and I really wanted a chandelier. I knew when we moved in this house, I wanted it to be kind of like grand, especially when you walked in, so we did the gold chandelier. I do like it, but it's actually gonna go in the bedroom. I have one on the way. It's kind of like a wagon wheel, and it has like some lampshades on it. It's not like my last one. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you don't know what I'm talking about, and I apologize. But it's really pretty, and I will show you guys my chandelier, my new chandelier soon. It's actually black, and I think it would just go better in here versus the gold. So this is my living room. We would love to do like a short, small sectional at some point, but I don't know. We just got a lot going on right now, and I have been like buying a lot of things. So as my husband says, it wouldn't be any fun if we bought everything at once. So, you know, we gotta take it, you know, one thing at a time somewhat. It's more like 3 things at a time for me. But anyways, that is my living room. So here is my little dining area. It's nothing grand either. We plan to build or buy a table. hopefully soon, because this little round one is not doing its job. Here we just have like such a massive space, which you can't tell. Hold on. You can't tell. So it's just massive. So we want a larger table. We host a lot of parties and holiday events. So here is my kitchen. We're gonna be painting the cabinets. A lot of people are like, why? We love the brown. I love the brown. I like it too, but honestly, it's my house and it's just too much brown for me. I think I'm gonna be doing white cabinets and then a black island. I consider doing that black too. We're gonna do pendants hanging from the island. I'm gonna do gold hardware, gold faucet, I think. And of course I would love a new fridge, because this one is like, it doesn't fit properly and it's just like not as bougie as I would like, you know, because I'm a bougie girl.
Sit down.
Is our little mud area, mud room. We definitely plan to do a little project back here. Do like board and batten. I think I want to paint it like black. Do board and batten. Do like a little bench, maybe with storage. I'm not sure. There's our garage, our little trash closet with our trash can and our mop and our broom. And then we have our pantry, which is a mess. I'm not going to show you. And then over here I just have my cute little coffee bar. Super cute. Here's our little entry over here. Got it all decorated for fall. Pretty simple and minimal this year, because I am going all out for Halloween and Christmas. And yeah, we have like a massive closet here. There's really nothing to see. It's a mess in here. I swear all of our closets we need to like organize. Then we have our kids' bedrooms, and I'm not going to show you those, and our spare bathroom. So simple. Definitely going to be doing some projects in all the bathrooms and things like that eventually when the time comes, but for now this will do. This is what I meant. This thing is massive and my back's hurting because I'm 30 now. That means I'm old. So let me just show you more in depth here now that I can actually see. I just have this little picture here for now. I got it printed from Etsy and it's so cute. It doesn't really fit the space. I just can't figure out what I want to do here, so I just put it there for now so it doesn't look odd. Here's my little table decor. I have this cute little bench from Studio McGee, the infamous A Floral garland. Well, they came out with the garland this year, but they have like the little picks. I opted for the garland. I think it's pretty and it's neutral. And then, yeah, so bright. And then here's our table that I was talking about. Just not big enough. We need something that's gonna be big enough to host our family and just for size. Anyways, I swear, like we just have so much room. Why not get a big table? So. And then, sorry I keep having to switch the lighting. And then here's our laundry room. Not gonna show you, need to do something with that. Then here's our bedroom that we just redid over the weekend. We painted and did the slats on the back wall. Oops. We just got this bed from Amazon. It's super good quality. The olive and charcoal, I think it is, rug that will be here soon. It's a 9x12. We still have to mount our TV on the wall, and then the chandelier that's in the living room is actually going to go here. I talked my husband into doing a chandelier because even having the TV mounted, it's going to still work out where we can see it, and I just feel like it looks weird with the fan. I feel like we went out of our way to make our bedroom look so cute and all the vibes, so why not? Plus my goal moving here was to not watch TV as much in here, although we have been lately, but that's gotta go. Chandelier is gonna go here. It's gold and it will match our gold hardware. I mean, curtain rods, I don't know what I'm saying. There's our cute little bed. We have a closet, not gonna show you. And then this is our primary bathroom, which is pretty plain Jane. We want to do some projects in here. I would love to paint these cabinets, get rid of these hardware, do like better mirrors, do like a sconce, maybe some wallpaper, maybe some paint. I don't really know, but there's a shower, nothing fancy. But definitely don't want to keep it this plain. And that is that. So hello, I'm super excited to be filming again. I didn't really do it too much last time, but I was just so like frustrated with my house, and I just knew that it was not going to be what I wanted it to be, so I just kind of gave up. I feel like you guys caught me at a really bad spot, and I was just trying to do things and I knew that weren't going to work in that house. But we are here now, and I'm so excited to be filming again. I hope this isn't too shaky. You guys can even see me. There we go. I hope this isn't too shaky. Once again, I am holding you guys on this tripod that I've had for a long time. So yeah, welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm so excited to get into the holidays and do all the fun things with you guys. I might do a decorate with me for Halloween once that comes, because I know that I've already decorated for fall, and honestly I didn't do too much anyways, but for Halloween I plan to go out a little bit more just because I love Halloween, and I have 2 kids now and they love Halloween. I swear they talk about it all year. And I love Christmas too, probably just as much now. So I'm excited for that, for the shopping and things like that. So if you guys like those type of things, definitely subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. But this is my new home. I love it. So cute. So I'm editing right now. I downloaded an editor on my phone and we're doing the thing, and my lips look disgusting. That's disgusting. But yeah, I am so excited to do this. I just have wanted to, and I've just held myself back for so long. I don't know how many times I can say that, but just editing this vlog. I need to wipe this off because it's driving me nuts. I need to download Epidemic Sound again. I need to update my channel, like the background and the end slates or whatever it's called. I have a lot of stuff to do, but I'm really excited and I hope you guys are too. It feels really good to be back.